What's up, everybody? My name is Jared, aka Sinister Camaro. Welcome to another video on the channel. Thank you guys so much for joining us. Today we got a very special mission. We've got the Camaro here. If you've been on the channel for a while, you've seen my last live stream on Sundays, which if you haven't already, check the community tab on YouTube because I'm posting a lot of updates on that you don't normally get to see in the videos and get like teasers and everything. We talked about this car. Now, what happened with this car is a couple weeks ago, maybe a month ago, we were on a trip. Hit a big bump. I love the wheel lights, I love the company, it's never let me down or whatever. It's still true to this day, but we had a little failure. When you do custom work, that's gonna happen. So this wheel right here, I know you can't see it right now, it's dark. I've taped it up really good, but basically there's 4 connection points on the back of the brake disc cover that does not move. The wheel lights don't move or anything like that, but they all 4 broke off and their wheel light was dangling. I didn't even notice it until we had a picture of a friend of ours who took a picture on US 1. You'll probably see that here. But as you can tell in the back, the purple is not showing at all. That's because it's out. Now, if it touches the metal wheel, like if it touches the wheel at all, paint service, whatever, light goes off. If it's not, and of course it dangles, then the light actually works. So I didn't want to risk getting any kind of tickets for that purple going out and maybe the blue side or red side going out. So we're gonna get that fixed. We're gonna visit our good friends over at Car Security. I'm gonna bring you along with us. And I'm going to basically explain everything that's going on, show you the whole process, everything. Great people, wonderful people. They're definitely the ones I would highly recommend if you need any kind of audio, video, or lighting done. We've had this car, the truck, like my old Acura that I used to have, my wife's car, all have been serviced there, all great service, great people. I can't say it enough, they're like family to me. But today we got a special guest with us. For the first time in a long time, we've got Mr. Jimmy coming with us.
Good to be back.
That's right, he's no longer a ghost anymore. If you were here the earlier days of the channel, when we used to do those like food videos and all that stuff, so that was fun. Check those out if you haven't already, it's kind of funny. But we're about to get on the road, we're almost late. Sorry Tracy, I apologize, but we'll get there as soon as we can, and we'll take you along with us. I hope you're enjoying the video. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the channel. Thanks for joining us. And since you haven't heard it in a while, I know it's dark, cold start for you. Headphone users, beware, turn the volume down, it's gonna get loud. Responsibility for the hack job. I just had to hold it in place, but I just want to give you guys a close-up. But if you look right there, that's where it started rubbing on the inside of the wheel. I mean, the lights work and everything, it's just that the metal clamps, it did not have that much play. So, I'm just happy that it didn't mess up anything that it could have. But yeah, it's not supposed to be like that, but we'll get it there. Alright, so let's assess the damage inside the wheel. So it doesn't look too bad. We've got like areas like this. If you're not going to see, you're not going to happen to anything. If we come in here, you can see like little teeth marks, like little itty bitty teeth marks to where that it was grinding inside of it. So, I mean, it is what it is. If you're going to have a custom car, it's going to happen. You know, we had this thing on the track. We've had it everywhere. We drive it all the time. So little things like this are going to happen. It's no big deal. We can use some touch-up paint and get those little areas, so no big deal. I'm just happy that it didn't actually like ruin a lot of things. hopefully this will focus. As you can see, we're back home. We got everything done. Thank you guys over at Car and Security for fixing everything that we need to do. I've known them since I was like 16, so it's been like 15 years that we worked with them. They've been doing great. Thank you, Jimmy, for hanging out with me and all that good. He's checking out the Z. So, what do you think?
She's beautiful.
So eventually we're gonna go for a ride in it, and I'll get his reaction and all that stuff. Just trust. He doesn't know what he's in for.
But here's the wheel. It's all fixed. It looks better now. Like I said before, if you do any kind of custom work, make sure to put money back, because you're gonna have to fix stuff like this. It's not gonna work all the time. That's just the custom life. So if you're about the custom life, you gotta save up money to get it initially, but you also have to make sure you have money to fix stuff like this going bad, because you don't want your car to be down months and months and months for a simple issue like that. So that's my warning to you guys. Make sure things go wrong, you have the money to back it up.
But oh, is that my flag?
Yeah, I was looking at that.
Yeah, Manscaped actually sent me that. So if you haven't already, use code Camaro, Manscaped, 20% off, free shipping. You support them, supports the channel, and they keep sponsoring us, and it keeps us doing more builds. So at least if you don't want it, that's fine. If you don't need it, tell somebody who might. Just share it out. That's all I ask you. Just share the code. Word of mouth is what I'm going through right now. So please help me out and help me keep my sponsor. Keep them happy. They'll be happy to do stuff for us. But from me, the Z, SS, Jimmy, baby's inside, wife's at work. But we're going to get out of here and get some more work done, get some more content for you guys. So good seeing you. Thanks for joining us. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss content like this. We've got more Camaro content coming up. Car shows and stuff should be starting back up. And then like this video so it does help us get seen by more people and get more people to the channel. So I'd really appreciate you if you did that. And share it out with a friend or two, with your family. Let them know. Come over to my channel. Check out what we've got. We've got all kinds of like car show tips and tricks, what to expect. We've got detailing stuff. We got just having fun track stuff. So a lot of stuff coming up. So check us out. And without further ado, don't forget, always remember, stay sinister.
Perfect.